Your life can change starting today. This video very important for you. Let me ask you a simple question. Are you happy with your life right now? If your answer is yes, that is wonderful. If your answer is no, that is also okay. Because today, in this lecture, you will learn one powerful truth. Your life can change, and it can change because of you. Many people believe that life changes only when luck changes. Money comes, or someone helps them. But real change starts inside your mind, inside your habits, and inside your daily actions. This lecture is not about magic. It is not about shortcuts. It is not about becoming rich overnight. This lecture is about real, slow, powerful, and permanent life change. So relax, listen carefully, and let these words enter your mind. Why most people never change their life. Before learning how to change your life, you must understand why most people never do. 1. Fear of change. Most people are afraid. They are afraid to fail. They are afraid to look stupid. They are afraid to leave their comfort zone. Even if their life is painful, it feels familiar. And the human brain prefers familiar pain over unfamiliar success. 2. Excuses. People say, I don't have time. I don't have money. I am not talented. It's too late for me. Excuses feel safe. They protect the ego. But excuses kill growth. 3. Waiting for motivation. Many people say, I will start when I feel motivated. But motivation does not come first. Action comes first. Motivation follows. People who wait never start. People who start even without motivation change their lives. Your mind is the control center of your life. Your life today is the result of your past thinking. If you want a new life, you must build a new mindset. 1. Change your self-talk. Listen to your inner voice. Do you say, I can't, I am weak, I always fail? Or do you say, I am learning, I am improving, I will try again? Your brain believes what you tell it repeatedly. Change your words. Change your life. 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is poison. Someone is richer than you. Someone is smarter than you. Someone is ahead of you. So what? They are running their race. You are running your race. The only comparison that matters is, who were you yesterday? And who are you today? 3. Believe that change is possible. If you don't believe change is possible, you will never try seriously. You don't need blind confidence. You need quiet belief. Believe that small steps matter. Progress is real. You are capable of growth. Small habits create big life changes. Your life is not changed by one big decision. It is changed by small habits repeated daily. 1. The power of daily habits. What you do every day decides your future. What you eat, what you watch, what you read, what you listen to, how you talk to yourself. Small habits feel unimportant, but over time, they create massive results. 2. Start small, stay consistent. Do not try to change everything at once. Start with 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of walking, 10 minutes of English listening, 10 minutes of silence. Consistency beats intensity. Better to do 10 minutes every day than 2 hours once a month. 3. Remove bad habits slowly. You don't need to become perfect. Just reduce. Too much phone scrolling, negative content, complaining, late sleeping. Replace bad habits with better ones step by step. Discipline is more powerful than motivation. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is logical. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. 1. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Life changes when you act without waiting for feelings. Study even when tired. Exercise even when lazy. Practice English even when bored. This is how strong people are built. 2. Create simple rules. Rules reduce decision-making. For example, I study English every day at 7 p.m. I walk every morning after waking up. I don't check my phone for the first hour. Rules create structure. Structure creates progress. 3. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your self-trust becomes weaker. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Start with small promises. Keep them. Learn new skills to change your future. Skills change income. Skills change confidence. Skills change opportunities. 1. Skills are more important than degrees. Degrees can help, but skills create value. Learn skills like English communication, writing, social media, computer basics, problem solving. The world rewards useful skills. 2. Learn every day. You don't need to learn everything. Just learn something small every day. 1 new English word. 1 short lesson. 1 useful idea. Learning compounds like money in a bank. 3. Be a beginner without shame. Everyone starts as a beginner. Feeling stupid is part of learning. Embarrassment means growth. Pride stops progress. Humility accelerates it. Part 6. Your environment shapes your life. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. 1. Change what you see daily. If you see negative people, toxic content, hopeless news, your mind becomes heavy. Instead, listen to positive lectures. Watch educational videos. Follow people who inspire you. 2. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves access to you. Some people drain your energy, mock your dreams, spread negativity. Limit contact when necessary. Protect your mental space. 3. Build a growth environment. Your environment can be books, podcasts, YouTube lectures, online communities. Even if people around you don't change, you can change your environment digitally. Failure is a teacher, not an enemy. Everyone fails. Successful people fail more than others because they try more. 1. Redefine failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every failure teaches what doesn't work, what needs improvement, where you are weak. 2. Stop taking failure personally. Failure does not mean you are useless, you are stupid, you are not good enough. It means you tried, you learned, you are growing. 3. Get back up faster. Pain is normal. Staying down is optional. Cry if needed. Rest if needed. But stand up again. Time is your most valuable asset. Money can return. Time never does. 1. Stop wasting time unconsciously. Ask yourself, where does my time go? Is this helping my future? Is this moving me forward? Awareness changes behavior. 2. Focus on long-term thinking, short-term pleasure, endless scrolling, junk content, laziness, long-term gain, learning, discipline, growth. Choose long-term gain more often. 3. 1 year of focus can change your life. If you focus seriously for 1 year, your skills will grow. Your confidence will rise. Your life direction will change. 1 year will pass anyway. Make it count. Build a strong daily routine. Your routine becomes your life. 1 morning routine. Start your day intentionally. Simple morning habits. Wake up early. Drink water. Move your body. Read or listen to something positive. How you start your day shapes your mindset. 2. Night routine. End your day peacefully. Reflect on the day. Reduce phone usage. Sleep on time. A good night creates a good tomorrow. 3. Review your life weekly. Once a week, ask, what did I do well? What should I improve? What will I do next week? Reflection creates wisdom. Patience is the secret weapon. Life change is slow, and that is okay. 1. Stop expecting instant results. Growth is invisible at first. Just like seeds grow underground before appearing. Muscles grow after pain. Skills grow after practice. Trust the process. 2. Celebrate small wins. Did you practice English today? Wake up earlier. Learn something new. Celebrate that. Small wins create momentum. 3. Don't quit too early. Most people quit just before results appear. If you feel like quitting, you are probably closer than you think. Conclusion: your life is in your hands. Let me say this clearly. You are not helpless. You are not powerless. You are not stuck forever. Your life can change. If you change your thinking, if you change your habits, if you change your actions. Not tomorrow, not next year, starting today. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Remember, small steps matter. Discipline beats motivation. Growth takes time. You are capable of more. So stand up mentally, take responsibility, and begin building the life you deserve. Your future is waiting. If this video helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe.